Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know the dates of Amazon Great Indian Festival. We all know that Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival are two biggest sales of the year. Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale may start on 14th of September for the Plus and VIP members and on 15th of September for the regular customers. Though there is no official statement about the actual date of Amazon Great Indian Festival, but I think the sale will start on 14th of September for the Prime members and 15th of September for the regular users. The reason behind this is that Flipkart and Amazon start their sale at the same time to attract the customers. So I think this year also there will be no exception in the commencement of the sales. If you are looking to buy any tablet during these two sales, you can grab the deal at the earliest opportunity, because if you delay, in that case you may not get the desired deal for your favorite tablet or any other gadgets. Now many users are asking me which credit cards will be available for discount in that Amazon Great Indian Festival. I think SBI credit card or ICICI credit card will be on offer for getting the maximum amount of discount. And if you are a Prime member in that case, and if you have ICICI credit card affiliated with Amazon.in that case you will get extra discounts and cashback. So if you don't have any credit card, in that case you should manage a credit card from your friends or family members to get the best discount. Don't buy any tablet without credit card, because in that case you have to pay around 3000 rupees extra. In my next video I will talk about the best price of tablets in Amazon.in and Flipkart.com during sale. So stay tuned for that video. And if you have any questions regarding any tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.